Elmo, you ready to play some pool?
Yeah, I'm ready to play some pool. Who am I going against?
Big Bird.
Oh, that's easy. Compared to the last video, he didn't even hit the balls. It's my turn now. Let's do this. Okay, but first, I want to introduce a new person that's coming to Superfries. And that is... drumroll, please. Dun, 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 dun. I know I have a bad drumroll, but it's Super Simo. I'm just playing. It's not Super Simo, but Super Grover.
Hey guys, I'm Super Grover, and I like to fly. Grover, you can't even fly. Don't say that about me, okay? You know, that's kind of mean. I'm gonna go fly now.
Okay, Grover. I'm about to play some pool with my good boy, Big Bird. Let's do this.
Just need to get the ball out of here.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna hit these balls.
Big Bird, what are you doing?
I'm sitting here and I'm going to watch him lose. Because he's a loser.
Well, you're the one who didn't hit the balls, Big Bird.
I did hit the balls. See, look. They moved.
They didn't move. I just set them back up.
Okay, let's see who's really gonna win this match, huh? Let's restart, okay? Let's do this. I'm going first. That was bad. My bad. Reset. I'm gonna reset the ball. Okay, let's do this.
Elmo, you're bad at this.
No, I'm good. That was Big Bird who hit it, not me.
You're the one with the pool stick.
No, I'm not. My turn. Let's do this.
You're bad too, Big Bird.
I'll try it. Give me that poo steak, boy. Wilbur gonna play now. Cancel this video. Now. Now. We just got exposed. Bad.